World Health Organization (WHO) recently said that any possible vaccine for the emerging coronavirus, COVID-19, won't be generally available until 18 months later, amid fears that fatalities will worsen if the infection doesn't subside soon. In mid-January, China unveiled the so-called ribonucleic acid of the virus, in a shot to cooperate with international efforts to enclose the infection that killed 1,770 people and infected quite 70,000 on the Chinese mainland. The move helped launch scientific efforts to develop the vaccine at both the University of Australia and also the prestigious academic institutions in Europe and America. In late January, Australian scientists were ready to create the virus inside the laboratory, outside China, in an exceedingly move that was widely praised, and paved the way for the vaccine to be found by the Doherty Institute in Melbourne. Due to this achievement, scientists in other countries are ready to see a live sample of the virus, which helps to know the characteristics of infection in an exceedingly large way, and it takes up to 5 years for vaccines to develop, but within the case of concerted global efforts, scientists can get the work done in an exceedingly shorter time, but no scientific institution can try this alone on its own without cooperation with other parties. The event of the vaccine requires a decent understanding of the characteristics of the virus, also as monitoring the way it behaves within the body, and to try and do this, scientists need extensive observations and experiments. Within the next stage, scientists should demonstrate that the proposed vaccine is safe and ready to stimulate the human system, without causing casualty. This can be confirmed by experimenting with the proposed vaccines on animals, and when the testing phase passes successfully, health organizations and institutions assume the task of approving the vaccine, but these stages don't seem to be without challenges, and also the obstacle looming, at this time, is that the development of a biological model of the virus. So it's valid within the case of the animal, for the aim of experimentation, and to watch what's happening within the body. But what has been done at a previous station to surround the SARS virus? Keys from the corona family, which helps scientists right away to maneuver forward with finding a vaccine against COVID-19. Additionally, scientists have to produce proteins from the virus so as to develop the vaccine, and also the reason is that these proteins are very necessary, and that they are carefully designed to impress a positive reaction within the system, and make it proof against infection when exposed to that. Fortunately, the progress that has been made within the field of science has allowed laboratories to know these viral proteins well, which implies that the task won't require very while. To read more, http://www.alanbatnews.net/post.php?it = 271637